This is a meditation for when you need a reminder of your birthright, when you need a reminder of who you really are, when you need a reminder of what was promised to you, when you need a reminder to keep going when nothing in you feels like it, to remember who you are when nothing in you feels like it. So wherever you are, go ahead and lay down or sit up, but really, really make sure that you are in a position and in a space that allows you to feel comfortable, but also strong and supported. When you're ready, go ahead and take a big, deep inhale through your nose and an exhale out of your mouth. Another big, deep inhale through your nose and an exhale out of your mouth. And all you have to do in this meditation is keep your mind and your heart open and just listen. Keep your mind and your heart open and just receive. You can also repeat, if you would like, everything that I am saying either out loud or in your mind's eye, or you can simply just sit back and receive. Give yourself one more big deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out of the mouth. I was born to win. I was born to be me. I was born to win. Every struggle has become a lesson. Every struggle has become my wisdom. Every struggle has become my testimony. Every struggle has become my teaching. I was born to win. That's why everything is always working out for my highest good. Everything is always working out for my highest good. Everything is always working out for my highest good. Everything is always working out for my highest good. I am exactly where I'm supposed to be. I am exactly where I am supposed to be. I am exactly where I am supposed to be because everything is always working out for me. I'm grateful for everything that I have right now. I am so grateful for everything that I have right now. I am so grateful for everything that I have right now. I am so grateful for everyone that I am surrounded by right now. I am so grateful for everyone that I am surrounded by right now. It's safe for me to be me. It's safe for me to be all of me. I am supposed to be all of me. I am supposed to be all of me. I accept all of me. I am loved for being all of me. I am loved for being all of me. I accept all of me. I'm worthy. I am worthy of everything I desire. I am worthy of everything that I want. I am worthy of everything I desire. I am worthy of everything I want. I am worthy. I'm worthy because I exist. I'm worthy because I breathe. I am worthy because my light is needed in this world. My light is needed in this world. My existence is needed in this world. I am needed in this world. Joy is my birthright. Peace is my birthright. Love is my birthright. Love is my birthright. Love is my birthright. Love is my birthright. Peace is my birthright. Harmony is my birthright. Harmony is my birthright. Peace is my birthright. I deserve to live. I deserve to be free. I deserve to experience, to know, to embody, and to feel joy and peace at all times. I deserve to heal. I deserve to be free. I deserve to be whole. And so it is. And so it is. And so it is. And so it is. And give yourself a big, deep inhale through the nose and an exhale out of the mouth. And you come back to this divine conversation with yourself whenever you need to, as many times as you need to remind yourself, no matter what you're going through, no matter what you're facing, even if you're facing it again, if you're exhausted, if you're tired, if you're triggered, or if you're just simply unmotivated. Come back to this so you can remember who you are. Come back to this so you can remember that we need you. The world needs you. Your family needs you. Your community needs you. You need you. And we need you in every shape and sense and form. We need you in your joy. We need you in your peace. We need you in your healing. And we need you in your wholeness. And you deserve to experience, to embody, to feel, and to heal towards all of those things. I'm sending you so much love. Keep going. You got this. This isn't the end. This isn't what the rest of your life looks like. Keep going. You got this.